Hey guys, this is KXWZ6548 backhoe. Its digger bucket capacity is 0.13 to 0.19 cubic meters. The maximum digging depth is 3.3 meters. The boom rotation angle is 170 degrees, and the digging part has left and right horizontal shift. The capacity of the loading part is 1 to 1.4 cubic meters. The maximum lifting height is about 4 meters. The maximum unloading distance is about 1 meter. The rated load is 2 tons. Engine rated power is 89 kilowatts. The weight of the whole machine is 7,650 kilograms. The tires are 1670s minus 20 steel tires. Follow and subscribe to learn more about loaders.